Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix Roblox face tracking not working or not showing up. Check the camera and microphone permissions, and the face tracking feature needs access to devices camera and microphone to work. If permissions are not enabled, the feature might not function currently. And verify your age. Roblox requires to you verify their age to access the certain feature including face tracking. If you are not done this, the feature might not enable to you, and you verify your age in your Roblox account settings. Check your device compatibility. Not all devices may support the face tracking feature. If you are using an older device or one with a low quality camera, the feature might not work as expert. If you possible, try using a different more recent device. Ensure a stable internet connection. A poor or unstable internet connection can cause issues with various features Roblox including a face tracking. Make sure your stable internet connection when you are trying to face the tracking feature. Adjust privacy settings in Roblox. In Roblox, your account settings here as a section for privacy. Here you need to enable the Roblox access to your device camera and microphone. This done by toggling on the microphone input and camera output options. Check future availability. The face tracking feature might not be available on all regions or all platforms. Check your Roblox official announcements or Roblox blog to see the feature available in your region and your platform. Thanks for watching us.